Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to unbox ADVERTISER Megaboom 3. Let's look at the features. 20 hours of battery, you have 360 sound, and also it's a drop proof, waterproof. It is rated IP67, 2 years warranty. I'll leave a link below for Amazon if you are interested in. The price do change. Micro USB cable. It is a beautiful speaker. It's a quite big speaker compared to any other speaker. Volumes up, volumes down, so pause, power button, Bluetooth lights. If you want to charge it from the charging pad, you can. First of all, we're gonna try is really high bass. Then we're gonna watch a video, see. So power buttons.
Please download the Boom and Megaboom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
Made a map with all the stars.
That is.
So
This is actually the lowest volume.
You're looking for that white night to shower you in bright light before the sunrise. I don't wanna hurt you, but I can push you away. What's a wolf to do when the lamb comes out to play? Why do you stay here? There's nothing but pain here. Just leave. It's not meant to be. You can't change me. I tried, believe me, and I know.
I'll be there for you. Call me when you're lonely. Dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do. Keep your love for me only. I get high on you. Yeah, you. Hey, baby, kiss me hard. Don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire. It's all time. Hey, baby, kiss me hard. Don't kill my vibe. All my feelings on fire. It's all time. You are mine. You are mine. It's all time. You are mine. You are mine. It's all time.
So we're gonna watch Big Bang Theory.
It's amazing people keep coming to comic book stores instead of just downloading comics digitally. It's probably for the best. For a lot of these guys, the weekly trip here is the only chance their mom has to go down to the basement and change their sheets. Oh, that reminds me, I get fresh sheets tonight, yay.
Well, what do you think of new comic book night? Magic, huh?
Sheldon, I'm disappointed. As a brilliant man, you're entitled to a vice. I could understand frequenting an opium den or hunting your...
So, how's the palace? You know, it's funny you should mention that, because I was thinking, what's with the boxes? Oh, actually, I have some news.
Hey, Chen, is that Joey guy gonna come by and pick up his moose hat, or should I just toss it out?
Well, why don't you ask him yourself? Joey, this is my new roommate, Eddie.
Nice to meet you.
When you come to waterproof, the good thing about ultimately is they float instead of a sink, where JBL does sink. They don't float, so if you accidentally drop in a lake or beach, you have to find it. If you're looking for really good indoor and outdoor speaker, ADVERTISER do make a decent speakers. They will last you longer. Interested? Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next video.